We are trying out this air fryer for the very first time. In fact, we just got through cooking with it. We're pretty impressed here. We're going to go ahead and turn it on, show you the controls. So we press the button, you can see how it lights up. And there's all the different options across the top for air fry, rotisserie, and so forth. So you just advance that to where you want it to be. We're going to go back to air fry. We'll just kind of demonstrate it. We've got it on air fry. You can set the temperature. Just simple as that. Press a button and the time, and we'll just stop it right there, and all you do is press start, and there it goes. You can see the light turns on. It's quieter than most of them I've seen. Also, it doesn't get nearly as hot to the touch as a lot of them I've seen. So this really looks nice. The big question is, how well does it do? So we're going to stop it right now. We're going to open the door and we'll take a look and see what we've got. We've got some amazing chicken breast. They just got through cooking. Oh, these look so good. I'm impressed with this. This is nice.